1 click, $50. 2 clicks, $100. 3 clicks, $150. Imagine being able to earn money by just clicking. And today in this exact video, I will be showing you how you can be able to earn money by just clicking. And it is a very simple and effective way to make money online without needing any skills so far. All you have to do is basically click a few times and get paid. So the thing we're gonna do today is basically as I explained, click stuff and earn money, but it's a lot different than you probably think right now. So the thing we're going to do is basically create mockups. So let's go ahead on Google and search what are mockups, and you can see mockups are basically 3D designs of cups and stuff and t-shirts and then everything. And now your question might be, hey, I have no experience in graphics design and stuff. You said I just need to click stuff, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We just need to click stuff in order to make money. It is very easy to do and you do not need any skills like I mentioned before. Now let's get started into this method now. The first thing you need to do is go on a website called renderforest.com. Renderforest.com is a free to use website that lets you create videos, logos, graphics, mockups, and even websites. You can do a lot of things on this website, and you can see this website has been featured on Mendes, Cambridge, even Bose, the headphone making company. I'm pretty sure you heard of them. BBC, Vodafone, Ericsson, Sony, and many other companies. And you can see if you scroll down, there are hundreds and thousands of video templates available on their website. But we're not gonna do any of those. Like I said, we're just gonna click stuff and earn money. So the thing we're gonna do is basically right now is sign up on their website. To sign up on their website, you need to click on their sign in button, and then you will be taken onto a page that says welcome back. But we do not have an account already, so let's go ahead and click on sign up. And then when you click the sign up button, you will have options for a lot of stuff like Facebook, Google, and everything. But hey, if you do not watch the whole video and do things on your own, you might end up failing and missing out on things and everything. So I highly recommend watching the whole video so you understand how you can actually make money by clicking, and it will make things a lot easier for you. So keep watching the video. So the next thing you're going to do is simply sign up. So to make things faster, you're just going to click on Google or Facebook, whatever you like to use. I'm just going to continue with my account. And then you will be taken onto your dashboard with just a few clicks. Next thing you're going to do is simply go on edit mockup. And then on the mockup section, you can create multiple mockups. But before we create mockups, let's go to a site where you can actually work and sell your mockups and earn money. So you can see on this website, people have been making around lots of money. There are lots of jobs available for just clicking, and you can see $30, $459, $350, and $10 and $30, and there are all varieties of stuff that you can do in order to earn money on this website. And the website is actually called freelancer.com. You've definitely heard this website before, and you are probably not surprised, or surprised actually, I hope you are. And you can see on this website you can basically do freelancing, and that's exactly what we're gonna do, but an easy freelancing. And let's get started onto making a mockup. So to make a mockup, let's go back to Renderforest and head over to their edit mockup section. And then what you're gonna do is choose a mockup you like. I'm just gonna choose their t-shirt mockups for context. So whatever your customer wants, you're just gonna choose that one. Let's go ahead and click on that mockup, and you will be getting lots of options for t-shirts. So let's just choose a simple one right here. And then you will be taken onto their mockup editor page. So the next thing you're gonna do on here is simply upload your logo on here, or basically your client's logo over here. But for now, I'm gonna be uploading my own logo here to show you how quick and easy it is, and it requires only just a few clicks. Then what you're gonna do is simply drag and drop your logo over here. Seems like the drag and drop doesn't work apparently, so I'm gonna have to upload the image manually. So let's click on upload file, go to wherever you save the logo, basically upload that and click on apply. And you have the logo onto that t-shirt. Now that's basically what you're gonna do for the client, is to upload their logo on a t-shirt or an object or whatever. You gotta put it on, and we can also choose other designs too. Right here there are lots of designs we can choose from. It's all up to you which design you would like, but I'm gonna just show you this as an example on what you just need to do to earn money like this. And now, the next thing you're going to do is go on freelancer.com and sign up on this website. Then, when you do sign up on this website, simply put in your details and everything. I already have an account here, so I'm not going to do that process for you right now, since that's a very complicated process for now. So let's just save some time. Then the next thing we're going to do is go on their job section and look for people looking for mockups. So now, if you do search mockup, you do have a lot of options for mockup stuff, or if you don't find it here, you're simply just gonna type mockup, and then you're gonna see logo design contest and everything, mockups and everything. You can simply do those services here. But let's say those services are not here at the moment, or you do not like the website freelancer.com. That is completely fine, because I have another website to show you, and that is called fiverr.com. And I'm pretty sure you probably remember this website from a previous video, and exactly on this website you can be doing the same thing. So let's go ahead and search mockups on their website, and then you can see there are available lots of things you can do here. They have a lot of gigs for mockups, and you can see the first guy here has over 1,000 plus orders, just starting at $20, and you can be doing the same thing with just a few clicks on renderforest.com. That's exactly what these guys here on Fiverr are doing. Now, earning is a lot better on Fiverr here instead of freelancer.com. So if you want to earn with this, I highly suggest going on fiverr.com. But let's say you don't also like fiverr.com. Well, that's pretty weird, but there's another alternative called upwork.com. It's another website similar to Fiverr, mostly exactly the same, and we can simply search up mockups on their website. And then you can see so many people selling mockup services, and there are lots of categories here, and you can even create gigs on this website just like Fiverr. It is very simple to do a lot of these stuff on this website. But I would highly suggest checking out Fiverr, because that is the most easy to use website so far on the list, and you can be selling mockups and everything with just a few clicks. And like I said, to make mockups, you need to just do a few clicks, and boom, you have that mockup ready, send it to your customer, and you get your money. It is that simple to make money out of this method. And by the way, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you did like this video, also give it a thumbs up. And if you want more awesome money making tips, make sure to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post an awesome money making method, and make sure to leave a comment down below if you have any questions. I will surely answer all of your questions, and I will see you on the next video.